Hi, this is Linda. This screencast will show you how you can use the Intercambio online books with the Zoom Annotate tool to use Intercambio for Zoom online classes. So here I am on my Intercambio online book, and I'm just going to navigate to the page that I want to do with my students. Then I'm going to go to my Zoom class, and let's say we have a whole bunch of students here. I'm going to share my screen, choose the screen with the Intercambio book, share. Now, once I'm back to Intercambio, I'm going to choose full screen, and I'm going to zoom in or expand in to the part of the screen that I want to do with my students. And this is particularly important if you have students participating on their phones. Everything is really small, so you want to make your text as big as possible. Then I'm going to use the Zoom Annotate tool. So this isn't the menu bar that comes up with Zoom when you share your screen. And I'm going to use the lines over here. And let's say I can move this whole thing over a little bit. I want to call attention to the question words, or I can erase that and maybe do it a little bit more elegantly with the circle tool. Here are the question words, and we can talk about whatever it is that we want to talk about on the screen. So then I'm going to stop sharing, and it's a good idea to do that periodically during class anyway, because it gives students' eyes a bit of a rest from having to focus on all the text on the screen. You can come back here and see each other's faces. Then I'm going to share the screen again, and you'll notice, whoops, I'll just have to bring this back up. You'll notice that my annotations are gone, and I can scroll over to another part of the page that I want to look at. This time in Annotate, I might want to use the text tool, and I can elicit answers from my students. And let's say we want to put month in here. What month is it? What day is it? Etc. That's it. It's pretty easy to do. I'm going to stop the share, and there you go.